titanium introduction. Here is middle C with the red dot. Left hand, C, B, A, E, with finger 3, 4, 5, 1. Here is what the first 4 measures sound like. There are 2 patterns on the right hand. The first one is 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1. G, D, G, E, G, D, G. The second pattern, your fingers stay where it was before, and you just play 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1. The next pattern is exactly the same finger number as 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, but instead of starting on G, you lift your hands up, starting on A. This is the first 4 measures. Three, 4, 3, and play A. That's a signal for your right hand to move thumb to A. E. That's the first 4 bars. Then the second half is the same as the very beginning. And then it's different at the ending. Let me play it for you. So the left hand go from C, B, A. That's it. And after A, you put your hands the same as before. Pinky on A, thumb, right hand thumb is on A. One more time. You do 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5 on D, F. And after you do 3, 5, come back down, 1, 4, 1, 3. Sorry, start over at the A and A section. And the ending 4 notes is this, 1, 4, 1, 2. One more time on this section. After that, you play for the introduction all the way through. For practice, try to work on the end first. I will work on this. 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, and the special 4 notes at the end. So one more time. 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3. Enjoy.